Good morning, loves, and welcome back to my channel. It's officially the countdown to my grand. It's my grand vlog. Today I'm going to do my nails. I took them off yesterday and they're so painful. And this one came off with a bit of nail, so it's very painful. I don't know how I'm going to ask my nail tech to go about it. This one I couldn't take off, and the other pinky. But it's the 3rd. My grad is on the 8th, so we have the 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. But yeah, I hope everything goes well. The girl who's supposed to be installing me, Asana, did not answer me, and I texted her yesterday. So I'm hoping I won't struggle when it comes to finding someone who's gonna install my hair. Like, I hope I won't struggle. Anyway, let's go do our nails. Not doing anything hectic, just a Frenchy. You know the vibes. You know the vibes. Hey guys, I'm back. Sorry I didn't update you. I got here and cooked for my dad. How dry this needs to go by next week. I don't know what that is. Okay, as you can see, I did my lashes already, and the reason why I'm doing this, or my nails and my lashes on a Friday, is because I'll go back to work on Monday. Even tomorrow I have a practical exam because I'm doing my first aid kit that we are required to do at our place of work. So tomorrow we have a practical. Tomorrow I have a practical. But anyway, and then these are the nails I did. Just a simple Frenchie. The most painful nails I've ever done so far, because I took out my nails like a day before. My nails are so thin, but we'll survive. These are wifey nails. As you can see, they're just nice and short. But anyway, yeah, I'll see you guys on the next one. The girl who's going to install my hair replied she's gonna stress me out. She replied and then she didn't anymore, but she said we can definitely do the day that I booked initially. I can come through after work. Sorry, my battery's low. So we're going to get it installed on Tuesday. I can't wait for next week to start already. It needs to start. Term 2 needs to start for me. It's been a good month on holiday. Appreciate it, loved it. But no one is as broke as me right now. Anyway, I'll see you guys on the next one. And the ones I give I think I'd rather be blind. I'd rather be blind. Good morning, guys. It's the day of my due. It's the day of my cock. That's my mommy. And yeah, I can get a video for YouTube. I can get a video for YouTube.
Oh.
Get a mirror.
Oh.
So I just woke up. I'm gonna have an appointment at 8 to go do my makeup. This is my hair babes. Guys, I didn't sleep. Yo, I think the thing that worried me was this hair. Like, I still wanted it to be fresh. Anyway, I'll see you guys when I am there. Wake up, Mr. West, Mr. West, Mr. Flash, Mr. Can you eat? I ate that. The yell, the ate. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to my friend's place. She has a stronger straightener. And I'm going to straighten my hair and wait for my brother there. Then my brother's gonna come and take me to my hair appointment. I mean, makeup appointment. So yeah. Guys, can't be switching this wig out in the morning. Whoa. Hey.
Some more flavor, I said farewell. You took it well. Promise I won't cry or spill milk. Give me a paper towel. Give me another value. Give me another hour or two. Hour or two. Why you bother me when you know you don't want me? Why you bother me when you know you gotta want me? Why you hitting me? Oh, you know better.
Oh wow! Seriously, oh my gosh, I love it so much. Guys, what? I look good. And people are like, I can do my own makeup. Can I do it like this? Can I do it like this? No, I don't think so.
Why you bother me? Why you bother me? Last time I checked, you were the one that left me in a wreck, me in a mess. You all I rep, like my side I rep. That's that Mo City, that side that you can't go around at night. Yeah, you like to give me eye, you know I know I'm the side. You like when I make fire, you say the flame can make you higher. Let me come inside you, let me plant that seed inside you. As
do it for fun. Don't take it personally. I'm surprised you call me after the things I said. Skirt, skirt, all niggas. Skirt up, all niggas. Skirt down, you acting like me. Acting like we wasn't more than a summer fling. I said farewell, you took it well. Promise I won't cry or spill milk.
Princess couple gown. Oh, I see. Anybody has a ticket today?
We do whatever we want, love whatever we want, love whatever we want. It don't matter. You do whatever I want, give whatever I want, give whatever I need. It's survive.
I didn't press start, but I was moving. I'm correct. What do you know? When how did you know? How you looking for the knife?
I'm actually given a task here that all of you, as you are all seated at this long table, we're going to make this table to be longer in December.
Congratulations! Period. And period. I'm back, guys. I had a lovely day. I just wanted to show you guys my gifts. I got a bunch of flowers. I got champagne. And I want to open up this thingy. You know me too well. It's this thing. What do I get in? Those Christmas mystery box. I've already opened up number 1. From Maybelline. This a lipstick. Is it a lipstick? A lipstick. Number 2. Okay, number 2. Number 2. Let me open up number 2. Let me check. Mascara.
What's about what long pay?
There's a video. Let's open number 3 and 6 at the same time. It's liner number 6 and 5. It's also black liner. That one is brown. Another liner, I think, number 5. Number 5 is What's this? Brow what? Has a pencil and a brush. My makeup sesh.
Symbol of your hard work.
Last one. Yes.
So sweat and pain.
Sweat and pain. Primer. Woo! Thank you, Shaman. Then I opened up this will be what. It came with the bag and makeup brushes. They'll all go in this bag. You wear makeup, you can check. The new makeup. And then last but not least, a new big toiletry bag from Iwori. And it has bath oil, nourishing lotion, and cream wash, all in travel size. These. And I'll put this in here. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Boom!
Bonafide stallion. You ain't no stable, no, you stay on the run. Ain't on the side, you're number one. Yeah, every time I come around, you get it done. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Rolling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe. Any night. Yeah, work my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Yeah, work my way, standing up, keep me on the rise. Lost control of myself, I'm compromised. You're incriminating, no disguise. And you ain't never running low on supplies. 50-50, love the way you split it. 100 racks up and spit it, babe. Light a match, get lit, babe. The jet set, watch the sunset come. Yeah. Pulling eyes back in my head, make my toes curl, yeah. Yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. He's reflexing on me, yeah, you got that yummy, that yummy, that yummy. Work my way, yeah, babe. Any night. Yeah, work my way, yeah, babe. In the morning or late. Yeah, work my way. Up in the Lambo, I'm on my way. Drew house slippers on with a smile on my face. I'm elated that you are my lady. You got the yum.